Alright guys, so I hope that you enjoyed that walkthrough of how I basically put that edit together. Now if you're interested first and foremost in checking out any of my other content or seeing the finished product of that edit, obviously you can go over to my channel, which is BG Media Innovation. Let me mute this because it's going to go off. Maybe it won't. But this is basically the channel, and you can basically, you should be able to check this entire edit out. It's a playlist on my channel called, I think it's BG List Edits or something like that. I believe the playlist is called. But you can check the full, basically the finished product out here. It's going to look similar like this with the, obviously the next two filled in. Now I am testing something out here where, to be honest, the majority of my courses don't really have a lot of fluff in them and kind of meat, and it's pretty much just straight to the point, not waste your time, teach you how to do something, and really let you kind of understand the concept in the shortest period of time. I think that gives you the most bang for your buck, because not only is money a currency, and clearly you spend your money to get this course, but you also spend time learning this. And so if I can, reduce the price for you potentially and decrease the time that you have to spend to actually learn something, that's extremely valuable in my opinion. And like I always talk about, time is the most important currency. And so I'm testing this out where, I'm doing shorter courses that are really, really to the point. And I think that last walkthrough pretty much gave you the entire tutorial process of how you can essentially create an edit like this. So I don't want to waste any more of your time. We're going to end the course here, and I really, really hope that you enjoyed it. And as always, if you have any questions whatsoever, like I said before, drop them in the course Q&A, and I'll get back to you and answer them, or message me on the platform, or shoot me an email to Brian, that's Brian with a Y, at bgmediainnovation.com. I hope to see you on the channel, and I hope to see you in another course really, really soon. I hope this brought you a lot of value. And as always, I genuinely appreciate your good reviews. They really, really help me out on Udemy, and they help me, this course specifically, rank on the platform. So good reviews are always, always, always genuinely appreciated. If you have any constructive criticism, shoot me an email or message me on the platform. And, I'm always looking for, ways to improve my courses as well. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in the next course.